Hello everyone and welcome to another segment of FF Insider. We're back here in Hanford at the Civic Auditorium to host our job fair. We've had people lining up and heading inside right now. We're really excited because we have another opportunity here to connect with the city of Hanford. Not to mention, Matt Tall, our VP of Manufacturing, and the mayor have both come out again to support this event. We're really excited, so we're gonna head inside and see what's going on. How was the turnout tonight?
I think it was great. Just good to see all these old faces, people that I originally recruited back in 2018, and they're still very passionate about Faraday and willing to come back. So it was just a great turnout to see everybody, and I think there's going to be a good amount of people qualified to just jump right in.
And could you remind me again, what kinds of jobs are we hiring for?
So yes, we're hiring for all our production roles, which is going to be our initial ramp up. This would include vehicle assembly, material handling, powertrain, just kind of like the ins and outs of the vehicle, as well as maintenance, which would be the upkeep for the facility.
Are we looking for any specific entry, mid, high level? Or?
I would say a mixture of everything as far as the entry level. That's where we're going to have the majority of our openings, but we're also opening to people that have the experience that in mid and senior level. They could potentially be supervisors in the long run. But then everybody's going to come in at the kind of the same footing.
And what if people weren't able to attend tonight, or they are interested in learning more about our jobs?
They're more than welcome to apply on faradayfuture.com or ff.com. We have a list of openings for all our production work, as well as our management openings. So just a variety of available openings right now on Faraday.
Well, thank you for joining us tonight.
Yes, thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. How's everything going so far?
It's amazing. If you look behind me right now, people are applying for jobs as we speak. I'm loving it.
Awesome. You gave a little bit of a speech earlier. Can you kind of summarize it for us?
It's about creating that synergy of new technology industry in the city of Hanford and an industrial park. And like you said, they're planning to roll out with 50 new jobs, and then another 400 jobs. Is going to be amazing. And I was looking at it when I was at the industrial park. You guys are breaking ground. You guys are making it happen. It's amazing. The synergy that's over there and the synergy that's happening right now as we speak is fantastic.
And what's your relationship like with the citizens of Hanford?
Citizens, you know, I can't do my own horn, but when they see me, I literally know every citizen out here saying, you know, thank you for bringing Faraday Future. I said, no, thank you Faraday Future for wanting to come to Hanford, because it's a partnership that we're creating. There's whispers of other industries wanting to come in the technology sector here in Hanford because of Faraday Future. And I could see so many people are so happy that they're looking at technology industry jobs coming to the city of Hanford, and they're saying, I want to sign up. And we're seeing a lot of people signing up right now.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching this segment of FF Insider. If you haven't already, make sure you download the FF Intelligent app, available on iOS and Android. There you can learn more about FF and even reserve your own FF91 Futurist. If you are interested in attending the job fair or interested in learning more about our open positions, visit our website at ff.com. Thank you so much for watching this segment of FF Insider, and we'll catch you next week on Monday.